Good evening, 晚上好. Do you like cooking? Yes, I do. I really do because I cook at home every day. And do you like cooking Chinese food? Actually, there are 8 common ways to cook Chinese food. And today we are going to learn together. I'm not going to teach you how to cook, but I can teach you how to say these 8 verbs. Okay, so the first one is 烤, which means roast. You can see this part, it's the fire, right? So 烤 with the fire. We can say 烤羊肉串, 烤羊肉串. Yang means the sheep. 羊肉 means the mutton. 肉 means the meat. So 羊肉 together means the mutton. 串 is like the sashimi. 串. You can see this character is very cute, right? 串. Basically, if you put some meat on the stick, like this shape, it's 串. So 羊肉串 is like this. Mutton sashimi. 羊肉串. Okay. And another one, the roast duck. Peking duck is very famous, right? That's 烤鸭. 烤鸭. Ya means the duck. 烤 is the roast. So roast duck is 烤鸭. 烤鸭. This is my favorite way to cook. 烤. And the second one is 蒸. 蒸 is the steam. 蒸. Look at here. This is like a water, this part. It's like the water, right? So 蒸 with the water, steam. For example, we can say 蒸包子. 包子 is the meat bun. 包子. Sometimes the people just say, in English, 包子 is just 包子. If you like Chinese food, you know 包子. Especially 小笼包. Do you know 小笼包? 蒸包子 steam 包子 steam 饺 or 饺子 means the dumplings, steam dumplings. Okay, 蒸包子蒸饺 steam. The third way is to boil. So this part with the water, when you want to boil something, you have to put the water, right? So 煮水饺. 水 means the water. 饺 means the dumplings. 水饺. But someone they will say, it's water dumplings. Actually, it's like the soup dumplings. We put some, it's not just water. It has taste, okay? So boiled dumplings, we can say 煮水饺. You can also say 煮鸭. If you want to boil the duck, you can say 煮鸭 or 煮羊肉. Okay. 煮. The next one is 炒. 炒 means fried. 炒 fried. 炒饭. 炒饭. Do you like 炒饭? Fried rice. 饭 is the rice. And you can also say 炒菜. 菜. 菜 basically it means the vegetable. But sometimes if you put some pork or the beef in mixed vegetable, we also say 炒菜. As long as it's fried, we say 炒菜. 我要吃炒菜, which means fried something. We can just say 炒菜. Okay. 面. Next one is 面. 面 is the noodles. 炒面. Do you like 炒面? Yes, I do. 炒面 fried. Okay, 炒 we learned four words. 烤蒸煮炒. Okay, next one is 炸. 炸 is deep fried. 炸 with more oil. 炸鸡块. 鸡 is the chicken. 块 is the shape of the way you cut the chicken. So 块 basically is like a piece of a chunk. So 鸡块 is a big this shape. 鸡块. Okay. 炸鸡块。And you can also fry the potato. 炸薯条。薯 means the potato. 薯 is the potato, okay? 条 is also the way you cut the potato. So 块 is a piece of trunk, okay? You cut the chicken like a piece of a trunk. And the 条 is you cut the potato like a slice, or it's like the stick, the small stick, very thin, and this shape is a 薯条. It's like a French fries. You can imagine of the French fries, the shape, that's 条, so 薯条. 炸鸡块, 炸薯条. Deep fried, 炸. And the next one, I love this too. 炖, stew, 炖 with the fire. Steam with the water. Boil with the water. 炖 with the fire and a little water. Okay. And 炖 it's basically more than 2 hours. You have to boil something more than 2 hours. In that case, we say 炖. 炖什么呢？炖排骨。What is 排骨？排骨 basically is the pork ribs. 排骨 gu is like a bone. So if you want to have some really delicious soup, you have to wait more than 2 hours. In that case, you have to 炖. 煮 just boil maybe 20 minutes. But 炖 it's more than 1 hour. Maybe sometimes more than 2 hours. 炖排骨. So 炖 basically we use 炖 to cook something with the bones. 炖排骨, okay? 凉拌. Now it's summer. We love 凉拌. Many people they think Chinese food, they fried everything, they cook, they don't eat something like a salad. Actually we do. That's 凉拌. 凉 means cold. 拌 mix. 凉拌黄瓜 is cucumber. 黄 is yellow, 瓜 is a melon, but together it means cucumber. 凉拌黄瓜 is very famous. Okay, 黄瓜, we don't cook the cucumber. We just put the soy sauce and the garlic, and then we mix it and put some maybe pepper or salt together. It's 凉拌. Something with 凉拌, it's similar like salad. Okay, 凉拌. So we also have 凉拌菜, maybe any vegetables. We can just say 凉拌菜. So 凉拌黄瓜 is one of the 凉拌菜. So 凉拌. If you want to eat some similar like salad, you can just order something like 凉拌. Okay, with 凉拌. The last one is 煎. 煎 is also fried, but with a little oil. It's different like 炒 with like the this kind of oil, and the 煎 is just a little bit, really a little. For example, the fried egg. 煎鸡蛋. 鸡蛋 is the egg. 鸡 is chicken. 蛋 is the egg. 鸡蛋 chicken egg. Okay. And the 煎鱼, the fish, you know, sometimes you don't need to fry the fish like this way, but you just put a little oil and then you fry the fish like this way. So with a little oil, we say 煎. With more oil, we say 炒. With a lot of oil, we say 炸. Okay, so we learned 8 ways to cook. Do you know any other ways to cook Chinese food? If you know, please let me know. Thank you for watching today, and let's read one more time together. Okay, let's read. First one is 烤 roast. 烤羊肉串. 烤羊肉串 the mutton shashik. 烤鸭 the roast duck. 蒸 steam. 蒸包子 steamed bun. 蒸 包子 steamed 包子，蒸饺steamed dumplings， 煮 boil 煮水饺 boil or we can say cooked dumplings. Next one is 炒 fried 炒饭 fried rice 炒菜 fried dishes the vegetables 炒面 fried noodles 炒面 and next one is 炸鸡块 fried chicken 炸鸡块炸薯条 French fries okay 炖 stew 炖排骨 stew the pork ribs 炖排骨凉拌 is like a salad okay 凉拌黄瓜 cucumber salad we can say that 凉拌菜 salad 煎 is also fried 煎鸡蛋 fried egg 煎鱼 fried fish okay thank you for watching today and don't forget to take the notes okay and let me know if you have any questions thank you for watching 谢谢大家明天见再见